Hi, welcome back again with our show Breath and Beyond with me, your host Monica. So, today we are going to practice again body scanning as well as visualization. But before that, I wanted to check with you all that how you are doing. We have been practicing from past 2-3 weeks, learning and practicing mindfulness, getting connected with ourselves and doing this breath meditation. Now, as you have learned how to scan your whole body, I hope and I know that you are doing amazing with this practice. So, let's do today some more body scanning practice, because I know, as I say always, practice, 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 you'll master it. So, today we are focusing on guided meditation with little bit of visualization. So let me start here with little story, as I love to share stories with all of you so that you can connect more better with yourself. So there was a girl who was going to her office every day, going to office, coming back. She started to feel that even nobody is noticing her in her office. Nobody knows she even exists. She started losing a lot of confidence about herself. And she started thinking that she's just living a life. She is not alive. She got really bored with her life, and she was not happy with what she was going through. So one day when she was passing by from one street to other, going to her office, she noticed one small hat shop. So she thought of going inside and trying, because she could see that a lot of beautiful hats were there. So she went to that shop and she went ahead and started trying. She first hesitated, but she thought, okay, let me try whether I will look good or not, because she didn't have any confidence on herself. So she just went and tried. So one hat, when she tried, there was an old man who was just watching her. He came out and he said that, you are looking beautiful. Why don't you try this one? You are really looking amazing. You are looking so beautiful. I can't say that. So she went to the fitting room. She tried a couple of more, and then she said, okay, this is the one which everybody appreciated. I am going to take that hat. So she went to pay for that hat. As soon when she was paying it, the person who was doing the payment, he said that, oh wow, ma'am, you are really looking so beautiful in that. You are so gorgeous, and this is the perfect suiting you. She felt very good. She paid at that moment, and she walked out from that store and went to her office. When she reached the elevator, the people who were in the elevator, who was, I think, from the same company, they said that, oh, today you're looking very different, you're looking beautiful. So when she thought, wow, because she is wearing such a beautiful hat, that's why she is looking so beautiful. When she walked inside her office room, people said that to her that, oh, you are looking so beautiful today. I can't tell you. She started feeling so confident. She did perfect that day. Her work was amazing. She really felt so good, and she was feeling happy within herself. So end of the day, when her office work was over, she went back to her home and she thought, okay, let me look to myself. How am I looking? The whole day everybody was appreciating. So she went in front of the mirror, and as soon as she saw herself, she noticed that the hat was not there. Then she started thinking back to herself, and she thought, oh my God, when I was paying, at that moment I forgot that hat just right at the counter. So now think about it. What was there which really made that sparkle in that day? And that was her visualization, feeling happy within herself. She was not carrying that hat, but she was feeling that, thinking that she is happy person. She is feeling happy within herself, and that changed her entire day. We don't need any kind of hat for ourselves. We just need ourselves, our beautiful smile, our beautiful thoughts, that we are happy, we are beautiful, and that's it. You don't need anything else. So now, today, let's practice how to visualize to be happy within, and you don't need any hat for that. So just let's start to practice. We just, again I'll say that start to work on your posture wherever you're sitting, whether you're sitting in a chair or in your couch or on the floor, no matter. Even you're in the dining table chair, you're sitting, just sit simply, straight, erect, tall, and that's it, what you need, nothing else, not even phone also. You just have to shut down, ringer off, or put the airplane mode or something. Then relax yourself. Always make your shoulders back, relax completely, back align. Make sure your body is completely aligned from tailbone till top of the head, and bring a smile to your face, and then practice. So today I'm going to guide you for visualization. So how to do it, how to feel happy, even visualizing with body scanning, and you will do amazing after 5 to 10 minutes of this practice. And for that, today I am guiding, but you can practice it just by yourself. You don't need me also. You don't need anybody to practice guided meditation. So just relax, align your back, shoulders back, and then gently start to slowly close your eyes. Eyes are the door for outer world, so just close your eyes, relax your back, and start to notice first how your breath is. Notice your breathing gently and naturally. There is no pressure, there is no forceful breath. Notice the expansion of your lungs. Notice how your belly is coming out and in. A gentle movement of your belly. Make sure your palm is facing up towards the sky. Now gently start to feel from your head, that is starting from my head. Start saying to yourself mentally that my head is relaxing. Now visualize as if there is a beautiful ball of light on top of your head. Visualize the color of that light. It's a beautiful white light. White is the color for healing, for the moon energy. Now visualize as the ball is entering inside your head. Make sure that you are gently smiling. It is going down in your head, relaxing your head, relaxing your forehead, your eyes, your whole face, your ears, your nose, your jaw, relaxing your back of the head. Now visualize that your whole face is glowing with this white light, as if you're holding 100 watts bulb. Now visualize this light is flowing down as if the rain is falling. It's a liquid flowing down to your neck, relaxing your shoulders, and visualize the light is flowing to your shoulders, to your chest, to your both hands, to your belly. Now visualize as if in your spine this light is flowing. Make sure your spine is erect and straight. Visualize this light is there on your whole back, upper back, middle back and lower back. Visualize the flow of this light in your right leg. Now gently start to visualize that this beautiful white light is flowing in your left leg. Your whole body is glowing right now with this beautiful white light from head to toe. You are nothing but just a beautiful white light. Feel that energy source in your whole body. The prana is flowing. It's filled with this beautiful, beautiful energy. You are feeling very light, and say to yourself, I am feeling light and I am happy. Now gently start to walk. As you are walking, from your mind eye, you are seeing a beautiful, beautiful boat just sitting there waiting for you. And you are glowing completely, and there is no one else over there. You are just sitting. You are going to sit in that beautiful boat that's full of decoration with beautiful colors. Visualize those beautiful colors. Now visualize the water, the crystal clear water. You can even see your face over there. Now start to row the boat and gently, slowly. There is no rush, and you are feeling so blessed, blissful experience sitting on this boat alone. No one is there. As you are rowing the boat, see the leaves of the trees touching the water on the side of that lake. It's a beautiful full moon night. You can see the moonshine, the shadow of the moon touching the water and into your face. Enjoy this beautiful time. Start to move forward. As you reached to one side of the lake, just leave the boat there and start to walk. As you are walking, feel the touch of that grass and feel the aroma of the surroundings. A beautiful jungle is there. Start to walk more further. Slowly, there is no rush. Connect yourself with Mother Nature. Walk gently. Feel the touch of the ground, your naked feet. You're beautifully wearing white color dress. You're feeling so light. Feel the aroma of the lavender, the flowers all around. As you started to walk more further, you saw a beautiful tree, a huge ancient tree. You felt like going and sitting there to meditate. You started to walk more closer and closer. Now allow yourself to just sit cross-leg position in that, under that tree. You don't even feel like opening your eyes. Just be completely by yourself, relax. Now visualize the clouds are passing by and the sunset is happening. There's a beautiful vibrant colors on the sky. Now you could feel that there is a beautiful light from the universe started to flow down to your head, and there's a big lotus flower on top of your head which started to open up petals by petals, letting that energy flow inside your head. Accept that energy and let it flow inside your head, flowing down to your face. It just started to flow inside your whole body, from head to neck. The whole face is covered with this beautiful light. This is a healing energy which started to flow in your whole body. Feel it from top of your head till the tip of your fingers. Feel it from head to toe, in each and every cell of your body, with this vibrant, beautiful healing energy. Feel gratitude for this beautiful energy. Feel blessed to receive this energy. Now start to close the petals of the flowers so that you can conserve this energy. Now as you started to close the flower, the lotus petals, you saw that energy from the universe started disappearing. You're feeling so alive and full with this vibrant energy. Now feel thankful, feel gratitude for this energy, and start to walk back home where you came from, where you belong. Slowly and gently walk back. Now see yourself. Now feel your own breath. A gentle movement of your own breath. Don't jerk, don't feel any pressure. Whenever you feel ready, whenever you feel relaxed, you can slowly and gently start to wiggle your finger and toes and start to open your eyes. Could you feel relaxed? Could you feel that you were with yourself for last 15 minutes? Can you believe it that this was meditation, with connecting with yourself, with your source? And visualization is very powerful, very powerful. I will just give you a simple example. If I ask you to go and grab a big lemon, a yellow color lemon from your refrigerator, what is the first thing which will pop into your head? A lemon, a yellow lemon. In fact, if you go to the refrigerator, open the door, the first thing from your mind eye, you will visualize that lemon, and then you will grab for it. So you know that the whole day, the whole life, we visualize. Without visualization, we can't survive. But we don't know that we are doing it. Unconsciously, we have been doing it since we are born, but we don't think about it. So I hope you are getting my point, and I know that you could feel it also, today's meditation. So we are going to repeat this meditation again, because those who couldn't attend our session for today, it will be a good idea to connect once again. So with that thought, see you again in our next episode, Breath and Beyond. But till then, please keep practicing. And now you know that these tools are with you all this time. Since you were born, even till now, you have to just access it, like connecting yourself to the plug. That's it. So thank you so much for attending today's program. Till then, namaste. Thank you.